Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very natural and very magical way to get rid of skin tags. Alright, this treatment is also going to work with skin warts and any other thing that looks like skin tag, alright, on your skin. It's just going to kill it and it's going to fall off naturally. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of all my natural remedy for skin tag, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please leave your questions on my website. Alright, the link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and I'd love to see you there. Okay, let's dive into this video. Okay, for the skin tag, you're going to be needing a toothpaste first. Okay, and the second one, you're going to be needing garlic. Okay, here I have garlic clove, and the third, you're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. All right, and the very last one, you're going to be needing a banana. All right, so let me show you how you're going to be doing all of this treatment. Now, in all of these 4 treatments, you can choose which one you want to use. For the toothpaste method, you're gonna be taking you're gonna be needing some cotton wool, okay, to do that. So you're gonna be taking a little bit of cotton wool. It depends on how your skin tag is. You're just gonna wrap it this way, okay, and then you're going to press out the toothpaste into the cotton wool. Okay, you can't see it really well because the cotton wool is white, the toothpaste is white. You can see that. Alright, so you're going to place this onto your skin tag with the cotton wool. Okay, and then you're going to use something like plaster. I don't have a plaster or something like sellotape, and then you're going to tape it round. Okay, you're just going to tape it and let it sit there and hold really well. So you're going to leave it on that particular place where you have the skin tag or skin wart overnight. Okay, when you wake up the next day, you can open it up. Okay, if it does not die off for the very first day, you have to do that again. Okay, you have to put that again the next day, and then you put it on the skin tag area and then you tape it again. Now for this treats, for the toothpaste remedy, is just going to take 3 days and your skin tag will fall off. Invariably it will die off and fall off. Okay, that is how simple the toothpaste method is. Okay, for a couple of days it will just fall off. All right, now let's go forward to the bicarbonate of soda method. Okay, so you're going to be needing a bowl, and then you're going to be scooping out a little quantity of the baking soda. You're going to be putting that into a bowl. Then you're going to be needing just a little water. This is water. Okay, so you're going to put the water in the baking soda just to make a paste. Okay, so you don't put too much so the paste won't be too liquid, and then you stir it. Okay, then you grab your cotton wool. That's if you want to apply the baking soda method, and then you squeeze the cotton wool. All right, then you grab the baking soda and water into the cotton wool. Okay, You grab the baking soda and water, and then you apply it on the part in which you have the skin tag or what, and then you sellotape it. Or hi guys, so I got a sellotape here. Now you have to take a little piece of sellotape. Okay, I have a bunch of sellotape, I didn't know that. Then you put the baking soda and the cotton wool, and then you tape it this way. Okay, that is great. Then you hold it this way. It's not going to fall, it's not going to dangle. All right, this way. And then you slip with that on the skin tag. Okay, and then the next day you would go check it out. Okay, so you're going to open it and then you check it out. Now if it does not die off, the skin tag does not die off, now you have to repeat this particular treatment again for the second day. Okay, then you have to take the baking soda and then you apply it on that part where you have the skin tag, and then you get a sellotape, okay, or a bandage or anything that you can get to hold this really firm. Then you tape it down there so it doesn't fall. Okay, just like that, it doesn't fall. And then the next day it's gonna kill, and it's gonna kill the skin tag, and then the next day is just going to fall off. Now if it does not fall off the second day, you have to repeat this particular treatment the third day. Very sure it's going to fall off at the third day. Okay, so that's for the baking soda method. Okay, now for the garlic method, you just need 1 clove of garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking just 1 in this bunch, and then you're just going to peel it. Okay, remove the peel. Now you have to cut it. All right, now in this one, if you have several skin tag around your skin, you just put this garlic on the skin tag. Okay, you get a sellotape or a bandage or something, but it is gonna be really okay if you can get a sellotape, because you can just cut it as small as you would want, and then you sellotape it down there. It stays. Okay, if you have another skin tag around, you put it on the skin tag. Okay, you don't put it on your bare skin, you put it on the skin tag, and then you get a tape and then you hold it down there. Okay, the garlic method is going to be really ideal for people who have more than 1 skin tag or numerous skin tag on your body. Okay, so you can have enough of it, and then you tape it down there. Okay, you put another one where you have another skin tag, and then you tape it around there, just like this. Okay, so when you have numerous skin tag, it's gonna be like this, and then you're just gonna leave it this way for the next day. Mind you, this particular treatment, garlic, is gonna hurt your skin. Okay, so I'm just telling you right now, so you know when it starts hurting your skin, you know it is normal. It's not gonna burn your skin, but it's going to hurt it, and it's just going to kill the skin tag. Now for this particular treatment, the very first day you apply it and then you leave it till the next day, your skin tag would be gone. Like the next day, I am pretty sure your skin tag would fall off. Okay, but if in case it doesn't fall off, because some people's skin tag are really big and thick, if it does not fall off because your skin tag is thick and big, you have to repeat this treatment the next day. Okay, sleep with it, and then when you wake up, you would, you know, get rid of it, like remove it. Okay, so you just open it and remove it. You're going to see that your skin tag is just going to change its color. So approximately you're going to repeat this treatment 2 times on your skin tag, and all of your skin tag would be dead and it will fall off. Okay, for the banana method, you are going to be needing just the peel of this banana. Okay, so however my banana is, it's not a consign. Okay, what you need is the peel of this banana. And again, banana in this part of the country sometimes is usually green, except the imported banana, which is, you know, not green. Alright, so when you peel your banana, you have to cut it in pieces. Okay, it depends on how much or plenty your skin tag is. If it's just one, you don't need much of the banana peel. You just need just one cut like this is okay. This is for the interest of the people who their skin tag are much. Okay, so what you do is that you need much of the tape or plaster. You need much of the tape, so you're just going to cut the tape. All right, and then you're just going to take the banana, and then you would massage it a little bit, and then you leave it on the place where you have the skin tag, then you tape it. Okay, if you have another skin tag, you would massage the banana there, and then you leave it, and then you tape it. Okay, you tape it. So that's how you're just gonna do it if you have numerous skin tag. All right, you take the banana and then you just tape it. Okay, so you're just gonna sleep with this banana peel on your skin till the next day. Okay, so when you wake up and then you open it, if it doesn't die off, you have to repeat it again the next day. If it doesn't die off, then you have to repeat it again the 3rd day. I'm very sure when you repeat it, you know, 3 times consecutively, your skin tag would be gone, like it will fall off. Okay, so those are the 4 methods in which you can use, you know, to remove all your skin tag. So basically guys, that is a very simple way to get rid of skin tags. Alright, so you can actually use any method that you want. If you want the garlic, the toothpaste, the baking soda, and you know, you can just use any of them, and it's just gonna be helpful. Okay, so that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please drop all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section and also at my description box. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.